Imagine waking up tomorrow and the internet is gone. Your Bitcoin wallet is just numbers on a screen. Would your digital fortune vanish into thin air? Bitcoin is famous for being digital money, but what happens if the very thing that makes it work, the internet, suddenly disappears? Today, we'll break it down in a simple, stick figure way so you can see exactly what's going on behind the scenes. First, let's remember what Bitcoin really is. It's not paper, it's not a coin you can touch. Think of it like a magical notebook shared with the world. Every transaction is a note in that notebook, and everyone has a copy. That's why Bitcoin doesn't need a bank. But here's the catch. That notebook only works if everyone can talk to each other, and talking happens over the internet. Let's imagine the internet disappears. Poof, no emails, no Netflix, no TikTok, and no live Bitcoin updates. But don't panic. Your Bitcoins are still in the ledger. They haven't disappeared. Think of it like a book in a library. The book exists, but you can't check it out until the library opens again. Transactions? Stopped. Mining? Paused. Prices? Frozen. Bitcoin needs communication to move and update. Without the internet, it's like a car parked with the engine off. Here's a twist. Bitcoin isn't completely helpless. People can run mini networks offline called mesh networks. It's like passing notes in class instead of emailing. Slow, but it works. So technically, Bitcoin can survive short internet blackouts, but large-scale trading grinds to a halt. Humans are creative. If the internet goes down, people might print out their private keys like treasure maps. Weird, maybe, but practical in a crisis. And here's the kicker. Bitcoin's value depends on people trusting it. If the internet stays down for too long, confidence drops and prices tumble. So the digital gold is safe, but the market may panic. Here's the takeaway. Bitcoin is resilient, but it's not magic. It's like water in a bottle. Safe, but needs infrastructure to flow. Keep backups, think ahead, and don't put all your eggs in one digital basket. So, will your Bitcoin vanish if the internet disappears? No. Will it move, trade, or grow? Not until the network wakes up again. The internet is the heartbeat of digital money, and Bitcoin is just following its rhythm. Next time you hear Bitcoin is digital gold, remember, even gold needs roads to travel. Stay prepared, stay curious, and keep your digital treasures safe.